So hey guys, today we're going to be learning about how to make a rounded rectangle. This is a small video because I want to do it as fast as possible. Draw a square. Make this point here and make this point here. Then you can delete this. If I want a bigger if I want to make this a big curve, we can do this. And a rounded rectangle is simply a rectangle which is rounded. Whoops. Of course, you know guys, mistakes happen. So we can click on this arrow icon, click the second icon here, and then put the rectangle in this end and click on this end and this end. And this end, delete it. Then do it for the same. Do it until all four of them have a curve. So this is you can have this result. The only way to fix it is to just align this according this. But still, you got a rounded rectangle which is round. So hope you guys liked this video. Hope you did. Smash the like button and see you guys next time. Kids Coder out.